With Hurdlr Pro, you can tag advanced transactions such as assets, liabilities, equity, and more. These advanced options allow you to keep your accounting as detailed and accurate as possible. To tag a transaction to one of these advanced categories, log into the web app from a computer and navigate to the Income or Expenses dashboard. First, we'll tag an expense. Click on the transaction you want to tag from the Expenses dashboard. Ensure that Business is selected as the status, then click Advanced at the bottom to open the advanced settings. 3 new fields will appear: Expense Type, Expense Category, and Account. Now you can select the expense type. You can choose from expense, COGS, asset, equity, liability, or other expense. Then choose the expense category. These will vary depending on the expense type you selected. The account, which maps to a specific tax category on your tax forms, will autofill to match the expense type and expense category you selected. Then click Save. Selecting an advanced expense type will move the transaction to the corresponding view on the Expenses dashboard. So if you selected Asset, the transaction will appear under the Assets type, rather than your regular expenses. To view the transaction, click the Type filter at the top of the list and select the corresponding expense type. In the Income dashboard, the advanced option will allow you to tag the transaction as a liability, equity, income, or other income transaction. Or if you're using the invoicing feature, you can link an income entry to an invoice. From the Income dashboard, select the transaction you want to tag and click Advanced at the bottom. If you're using the invoicing feature and need to associate an invoice payment you receive with the invoice, click Assign to Invoice and select the relevant invoice. If a single payment is associated with multiple invoices, you can select all of the invoices that the payment should be tied to. Then click Save Details to save your changes. Once you've tagged a deposit as an invoice payment, it will be listed under the Invoice Payments type. Click the Type filter and select Invoice Payments to view these transactions. To tag income as a liability, equity, income, or other income transaction, navigate to the desired transaction and click Advanced at the bottom. Then click the Account field. Here you can choose the liability, equity, income, or other income account that you would like the transaction to be tagged to. As with other advanced transactions, if you select an account from an advanced category, like liabilities, the transaction will be moved to the corresponding view on the Income dashboard, and you can change the Type filter to the correct income type to view it. And that's how to tag advanced income and expense transactions in Hurdlr. If you have any questions, just tap the chat icon in the top right corner to get in touch with our team. We're happy to help. Thanks for watching.